Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. We are studying physics. It's chapter gravitation. Today we shall study an important topic, that is inverse square rule. Inverse square rule. Dear students, the statement made by Newton in his universal law of gravitation, force between two objects is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them, is called inverse square rule. Yus Newton panun law, the universal law of gravitation, them kya force is directly proportional to the product of masses. Be kya gravitational force is also inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. तो यह कोर already यह derived तो अत पे कर numerical ते solve. तम क्या the gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between two objects experiencing force of gravitation. F inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Newton got the idea of inverse square rule. Newton for gravitational force between two objects by applying Kepler's third law of motion, Kepler's third law to the orbit of a planet around the sun. Imko Kepler's law applying a square rule gravitational force between two by applying Kepler's third law around orbit, moving up this planet in its orbit around a star around sun. This idea is elliptical this circular orbital. This orbit, it's not elliptical, it's a circular orbit. Newton derived this inverse square rule as follows. For example, consider a planet of mass m, a planet mass m moving with a velocity v, a orbit, circular orbit with a velocity v around a sun, a star, sun in a circular orbit. मैं क्या elliptical नहीं, circular orbit यम radius r go a planet circular path around a sun, planet move करा with velocity v, having mass m and having radius r. A centripetal force F acts on the orbiting planet. It is because of this force, centripetal force, which keeps the planet to move in a circular path. Circular path orbiting planet, centripetal force due to the sun is given by F is equal to m v square divided by r. M go mass, v square this velocity divided by r. We can consider a planet of mass m moving with a velocity v around a sun around a circular orbit of radius r. Centripetal force act gasa planets due to sun. So go F is equal to m v square divided by r. Since the mass m of a given planet is constant, so the above formula F directly proportional to v by r, chunki m constant. If the planet takes time t to complete one revolution, rule circular revolution radius 2 pi r, radius of circle is equal 2 pi r around the sun, then its velocity is given by velocity 2 pi r, and because the distance score 2 pi r distance of a circle and by divided by time t. Here 2 pi is a constant, so above equation v directly proportional to r divided by t. R divided by t. V is directly proportional to 2 pi is constant. Taking square on both sides, just करो दूसरे sides equation पे फर्क कि v square proportional directly proportional to v r square divided by t square. If we multiply as well as divide the right side of relation by r, multiply they करो तो divide they करो by r, this निम्न side v square directly proportional to r into r cube divided by r divide multiple ते करो r. अगर तुम वो रिलेशन रोज बीती r क्या ये बने, अगर r को कैंसल टोट r square divided by t square. ये इस करा multiply ते divide the right side of relation by r. Now by Kepler's third law of planetary motion, the factor r cube divided by r square is a constant. So as derive r cube divided by t square is a constant. So the above formula v square directly proportional to r cube divided by t square you constant directly proportional to 1 by r, you height of constant. Now putting 1 by r in place of v square पर लगाओ इस r in equation. Now putting 1 by v square in place of v square in equation 1. Equation 1 तम में लगाओ ऐसे in place of v square लगाओ 1 by r. Equation 1 से क्या? So go f directly proportional to 1 divided by r into r. क्या चीज़ करा? Putting 1 by r in place of v square in equation 1. निम्बल इस करा ऐसे 1 by r. एक f directly proportional 1 by ये क्या चीज़? v square divide v square इम्पल्स इस 1 by r लगाओ. 1 divided by r into r. So f directly proportional to 1 by r square. Thus, the gravitational force between sun and a planet is inversely proportional to the square. यह है inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. यह है derive कारण. It was concluded obtained by Kepler's third law. ये कोड Newton Kepler's third law of motion. तो यह अति laws पर बने तिम laws of gravity. यह है inverse square rule.